Hey guys, this video I'm going to be making it and then I'm going to redo it, take off the original and put in the new version of it because I am going to edit this video and remake the video into a better video after I edit it. But this video is basically called the coronavirus stock market crash video. Why do I say this? Because I really think that this virus uh, is very dangerous, and I will be explaining in this video why it's so dangerous. But right now the markets are red. Maybe it'll be green tomorrow. I have no idea. But the markets are red, and oil is down, which is good for tanker stocks because tankers are charging a lot of money to store oil right now, and oil has to go somewhere, so tankers are making a lot of money. It's like the stock. I think tankers are the stock to buy in this market crash or in this event we're having, like Zoom for example, and I think tanker stocks are one. So tech maybe, but tech's kind of bubble-ishy, so I don't know, Amazon. But I honestly believe that tanker stocks are going to benefit big time from this. Big time, in my opinion. So, anyways, moving on. So the cases of the. So the cases. Yeah, 2.9 million. The reason why I'm bringing this up is I have an announcement. I am going to get tested tomorrow for the coronavirus at 10 o'clock, 10:30 to 11:30. I'm scared. I hope I don't have it. I hope I'm fine. I hope I can just go back to work and everything will be good, because that means that I would have the coronavirus for at least 40 days. That's pretty bad. But that means my body can't get rid of it. Yeah, more than 40 days, like 60 days. So this is the reason why I'm so scared of the virus. Is because the second wave of the Spanish flu reported killed 20 million to 50 million people. After the first wave, it killed 3 million to 5 million people. So that means that that's why the government is locking people in their homes, not and doing social distancing, and people right now are like they're being stupid. They're being really dumb right now. Like in this video, there is protesting. There are people protesting in this video. I mean, I could play the video, but you guys can see, people are just protesting, saying we need to go back to work. Guys, your lives are at stake. Something bad could happen. Just take the government money. I guess that just shows you how bad the United States is. That people cannot work. They have to go back to work, or else they go crazy. I think that this lockdown is going to be throughout this entire year. Entire 2020 will be the entire year to lock down until they can find a proven vaccine that works. And vaccines is a lot of trial and error. Like, they would test the person, and then they would test a group of people to see how it affects them, and then it takes years and years and years to properly do a proper vaccine. And in the meantime, it's just protesting and craziness. And I think, I think that this virus, this is the coronavirus crash. I think the Fed is pumping it up, but it will only last for a certain amount of time before it collapses again. It will collapse again. The market will collapse again. I just don't know when. I think that the market will collapse again. I think, it might keep going up, but I think eventually the market will collapse again. Eventually, the market will crash again sometime in 2020. That's what I believe. That's what I truly believe. Like I said, I'm getting the coronavirus test tomorrow, so I will come back and I will let you know what what's wrong with me. If I test positive, I test positive. I'll tell you guys. If I test negative, I will tell you guys. I think I could be a good inspire for people to do the right thing. If you have any sign of sickness, get yourself tested. Make sure you are not you don't have the virus, and so at least that way you have peace of mind. But I am scared tomorrow. I am scared to know my results. I don't feel like I have it, but I could have it, and I really should get tested because I don't want to get other people infected. It's that simple. I don't want this virus to mutate and get other people infected, because why? The second wave is could be way worse than the first wave. So, and this virus, there's a lot of unknown factors. It could be a bioweapon. I have no idea. That's speculation. But right now you should be scared of it, in my opinion. So, I honestly think airlines are going to be shut down this entire year. I think airlines are going to make a new low. I think airlines are going to be like the transport sections, basically. I think what's happening to airlines will basically what's going to happen to the tankers. Basically, airlines are going to look absolutely so cheap by the end of this. By the end of this virus thing, airlines are going to be looking like tanker stocks, and cruise lines are going to be looking like tanker stocks. While I believe tanker stocks are going to be making new highs, or at least go back to medium range. But I think tanker stocks are going to make so much money because the economy is going to be shut down. Oil is going to skyrocket. And people, the rates for those tankers are going to skyrocket because everybody's going to need them. And, the companies that have contracts, I think they're going to attempt to break them. They might have to pay a fine, but the fine might be less than the actual profit that they are making. And I think, TK is a very complicated company. I still like it, but I am really interested in the earnings report, and I will be making a more dedicated video on TK Tankers in another video over the weekend, the next weekend, not this weekend, because I still have a lot of research to do. I want to make sure I get my facts right before I release a good video on TK. It's a very complicated company. I still don't 100% understand it, but I am attempting to understand it, and I will let you guys know what it is next week. I still like it. I think I like it. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not, I still got to back check my stuff, and I still got more research. The more research I do on TK Tankers, the more confident I become in this investment. I do think that tanker stock is an investment like gold. Gold is an investment. I believe that the tanker business will boom from this. I think by the end of the year, TK Tankers will be worth so much more than it is right now. In my opinion only, not financial advice. But we'll see. And if it drops more, I'm definitely picking up more, because the bottom is basically in right here at $2.20. Unless you think TK can go lower, then yeah, okay, awesome. It's a really big buying opportunity, but I really don't think it's going to go back down there. I think, I honestly think, if you got lucky, you can get it at $2.94. But I honestly think, if we just look at the 5-year pattern, the lowest has been $3.21. So, it's been at $6 before. I think it should at least go back to $6, $7, $8, with this improving business that they're having. I think the TK Corporation is going to make a lot of money from this, but this is only my opinion. I still got more research to do in this company, and I might even add more, especially if the stock price keeps going down, because I like this company, and I think it's a really high return on investment, especially since it only has 100 million shares. So if this company was ever worth $1 billion, that's $10. So I think that's a possibility, but that's my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.